All right, let's see. Invite someone in here. Hop in and drop a viz. Just all right. Squares. Nice. All right. Next steps here is to hook this up to Ableton so that Ableton is also sending its audio to the visualizer. I think is the first step as far as getting someone to send a command to Ableton from the Twitch stream. Yeah. Make sure I get that open. All right. So in here, I think if I go to audio and output this to the loopback to audio. Let me get a sound going from here. We'll just choose some preset. Sequences, hamster wheel, I don't know. Alrighty. Let's pause the music. All right. I'm playing a keyboard over here. You can't. I don't have that webcam on. Might be able to get that up and running. Let's see. Yeah. If I'm on a keyboard, you should be able to see it. Let's add that in. Video capture device. Just make that small over there. That'll work. That's way too much fun. Alrighty. So if I want people to send notes to Ableton, I'm going to have to see that other project isn't open. What did I name that thing? It was like this one. Nope. It was send MIDI notes. Nope. Too many projects. Oh, JavaScript Ableton first try. Okay. All right, so if I think they used yarn on this one, or node, one of the two. And then I think I have to start. So many windows. I'm gonna have to start my track here. All right. So that is working. Let's also, I don't want it to mute that right away. Let's scooch this over a little bit, make it a bit smaller. I need some room. Still doing this command where it was. Yeah, we don't want to do this one, but I don't want to remove that yet. Okay, so in here, I want to, npm install tmi JS. I'll need .env as well. All right, .env. And I'm going to have to do some copying and pasting of environment variables. So I'll do that off screen. Thank you very much. Copy. Paste. All right. Make sure these are closed out. And Alrighty. So we need to require.env config so that we can get our pretty much copy and paste some stuff in my other project I used on this. Where is it though? So it's going to look like this. This is getting a little messy, but we can always clean it up later. So that'll start up the client for watching the Twitch chat, and then use the exact same message handlers, and then pretty much the exact same code for this as well. All right, so when I receive a message, parse it to a command and an argument. If the command is note, then we'll want to do something here. Where is the Ableton? Oh yeah, we're sending MIDI. So output send. I'm going to extract this into a function here. Let's do a let send MIDI note. And this is going to send for right now we'll just send a default a note, which can be that note and this. Just have people send numbers for now. Have it last a little bit longer. And from there, I can respond to a note command. So if that and arg1, I can send MIDI note arg1. And arg1 should be a number. And what's the best way to check for a number? I'll probably have to cast it, huh? So, and arg1 parse int arg1 base 10 let this will be a MIDI note, send MIDI note, not node, note. And let's check that that worked as well. All right, that might work. I'm gonna try it now. TMI is not defined. Oh. Makes sense since I didn't require it. Require TMI. Find module, oh, tmi.js. All right. Try and send note 56. Note 56. Note 49. Note 100. Oh, I have too much fun. Note, how low can it go? Probably in like the 24 range. It's gonna be low. Might be too low. Note 36. Sweet. Okay. So that's set in place. And so now in Ableton, I need to map something. I assume I never work in set view. So let's try. Can I insert MIDI clip? Okay. Let's try this. Let's drop that. And copy that. We'll give like 4 of them. Hey, thank you. Thanks, Jason. Hey, send check this out. Send note and then like a number that would map to a MIDI note. So like note 36. Alrighty. So let's see. Yeah, 12 is pretty low. That's gonna be like negative or C minus 2 or something. Like C minus 3 is 0. C minus 2 is 12. Yeah. All the C's are multiple. There you go. Nice. Now try row your boat. That'd be like 50, 52, 54. So I'm trying to make it so the MIDI notes will trigger these. And you can trigger different parts of a set. But I'm really not used to set view in Ableton, so I don't really know what I'm doing right now, but I guarantee I'll figure it out. Oops. And the other visualizers are squares, lines, phoenix, water, ribbons. Maybe I'll do like a viz list or something. which can print that out for people to try. So like is water should liquefy it. Then yeah, and they should I should really put drums in there instead of just let me do that. Use like a beat. Yeah, there we go. Let me grab some. Where's like a Eden? All right, so I can do the presets are here: squares, lines, phoenix, water, ribbons, grid, electric, cube, and kaleidoscope. Corgis. That's the. I was gonna build my own visualizers. Corgis would be a great place to start. All right, so Eden. Let me switch back here. And man, so much UI, so little space. We'll drop some of the verse stuff in here. So thank you. I'm enjoying it. I want to make it like a natural part of the channel where I can create sets where people can control what's going on. But that's annoying right there. So I think would I just map like this? Let's see. Is this the MIDI map? I always forget which. Draw mode switch, key map switch. I need to figure out how I trigger these from a MIDI signal. And then I could have people in chat send MIDI signals to trigger these. I wonder if you... let's see, because I know you can trigger them from a push controller, but I don't know what. Let's see. Export MIDI clip. Let me try. Ableton trigger set clips from MIDI. If you assign multiple clip parameters to receive the exact same message, then there's no way for Live. Live has a sort of exclusive MIDI assignment possible for clips in his scene. Okay, well, maybe I don't need to use MIDI because I have control over Ableton. Let's move this one here. And I have track control. So I can like inspect the track. I don't know what I can set on it. But let's see, but I can send a command on a track. What's first track look like? Transformers clip slots is a function. Latency, Ableton, host, send port. Buffer song. I wonder if there's, let me look in. Look in here for like a clip, something or other. Clip slot. Let's see, scenes, clip slots, has clip. But what sort of command would I use to trigger a clip? Is triggered. Well, let's see what a clip slot looks like. So track. Hey Benjamin. First track. Benjamin, if you just got here and want to change, there you go. You got it. The other ones are the list is squares, lines, phoenix, water, ribbons, electric. Any of those should work. And then I'm trying to make it so you can send commands to trigger these. So you can like control the music and the visualization. That's a fun word. Visualization from the chat. Where's my brain? My brain was looking up clip slots from Ableton JS. And I was down around first track and looking at the transformers because I don't see anything else on there. First track, Thanks. This has been fun to put together. Okay, yep, clip slots is on there. I don't know what it's going to give me though. Probably just IDs. What's a function? So let's invoke it. Oh, it's an array of functions. Oops. What does that mean again? Is that's saying an array of functions, right? No? Because Cannot read property map of undefined. Oh, it's a promise, I guess. Slots. Cannot read property map of undefined. Well, let me try from a different angle, because there might be a way to trigger clip, stop all clips, play selection, continue playing, create audio track, get data, jump to, send command, stop all clips. It's going to be a command, but the commands are untyped, so I'm not, let's see. It's going to be something like send command. Where was the one I had that? I don't need this anymore. And yeah, the command, what was that? The namespace track, and then the first track ID, then the args, and then just the name of the command. I don't know. Start clip. Yeah, I'm a good guesser, but not that good of a guesser. Command name set prop. Let me look at the docs. Well, there's not really any docs, but let's search for command name. Really? My commanders? Oh, just name. Slots have IDs. I swear I'd have to, my thinking is on the track, I'd have to look up the clip slots, get an ID off of a clip slot, and then send a command to tell that clip slot to start playing. That's what my brain is telling me. I don't know what the code would be for any of that. Handlers. There's a clip slot handler. Wait, I can just listen for clip slots, or can I get clip slots? Still haven't quite figured out this API. Ableton song get clip slot. Property map of undefined. Object clip slots. Track. I'm not trying to get that anymore. I think Ableton and Song are the same instance. Song object has no attribute clip slot. Get tracks. Let's see if TypeScript can help here. Get clip slot. Yeah, it's clip slot in here. Clip slot. So I'm thinking it's not plural, but maybe that means I have to pass in an ID or something. Unfortunately, there's not really a lot of documentation to go along with this. Clip slop. So it's a lot of trial and error. Track object has no attribute clip slot. We can try slots. Yeah, it's clip slots. All right, clip slot has, I'm guessing there's going to be a ID on it. So the namespace is clip slot. There's an ID. And I imagine I can send it, I'm guessing I can send a command of play. So, let's bring this down to where I get the first track. That's the first track. And then I want the NSID of the first clip slot. First clip is going to be clip slot 0. I guess I could just destructure that or something, but whatever. And then we want to send a command to Ableton, send command to clip slot. First clip slot NSID, command name is play. And I don't think I'd have to pass any arguments. So let's try that. Here, the command song clip slot timed out after play. Start, maybe? Start clip. I don't know. Let's, is there anything with an underscore clip? Nope. Underscore clip. Has clip. Serialized clip slot. All clips. Has clip, has clip, has clip. Stop all clips. Start playing. Let's try that one. Oh, I might be able to send a command from a clip slot, maybe. Maybe I'm thinking about this wrong. Can this send a command? Rather than looking up the ID? That'd be great. Why does that say start played? Start playing. Your command clip slot start playing timed out. It's the same error. Wait a second. Does this have a start on it? No. Does first track have? Okay. Song has start playing. Create scene. Does the song have to be playing? Because I'm able to, this starts the song as well. Okay. Get data. Stop all clips. Let's try start. Send command start. Command clip slot start undefined. Play. Let's see. I guess I could try setting is playing to true. Is triggered. Set is playing true. If I type playing, right? Can't set attribute. Send command set prop. And no. Well, I have to try. JSON stringify. Is playing true. Oh, whoops. That's not what it is. It's key is playing value true. It's probably that same. Got an unexpected keyword key. Oh, does this do? All right. Settable properties. Okay. So I can't. I think that's thinking of is playing as settable. So observable, but not settable. Trigger? Let's try trigger. Yeah, that's send command. I was confused by it yesterday when I tried that. Send command takes a few arguments, like the name and the ID, or the name space, the ID, the command name, and then additional arguments to that. But I was just trying like the longhand way of set prop, but you could just use .set instead of set prop. So I don't think that's quite what I want. I want to try trigger. Trigger undefined. Is recording, is playing. Maybe there's like on their repo. Ableton JS. See clip anywhere. Events, connection events. Get clips. Take a look. Added scenes and clip slots. I wonder if there's another way. Is this based on some sort of spec that I could look for names of things? live application. Clips. Live clip is playing, is triggered. Loop start. File path is arrangement. Add notes, add start marker, clear envelopes, crop, get notes, loop, pitch, remove, sample, scrub, stop. There is a stop. Why is there no start? Warp mode has listener. Playing. Fire. Start playing this clip. That's hopeful. This gives me hope. Fire. Nuts. Fire clip arg1. Clip slot fire. Definitely makes me think that fire is what I'm looking for. Add fire slot index. Returns a promise. Maybe if I just await. We'll do command, result. Fire undefined. I don't imagine there being any args being passed to this. Fire arg1. Live clip fire. That is something what tool would I use to inspect network traffic on my computer? I honestly don't know. I've sent commands before, so pretty sure that that's working all right. Wireshark? Okay, I'll check that out. Clip slot. Song clip slot that timed out. Just want to see the args. All the ones with args I've seen just have props. So command args, and then it responds with that. Args. Let's see. Ableton fire clip from Python? I don't know. Because you can do this from like Max for Live plugins. Let's see. Okay, Wireshark is downloaded. And installing. Oh well, I have to install a bunch of stuff. I'll look more into that later. Hacking. Interesting. Live object model diagram. This is what we looked at before. Clip view. Okay. Okay, this is from Max for Live. Definitely going to check this out in the future. Reading MIDI clips. API basics. Live object children. This device The next article will focus on clip object. Yeah. Clip prototype get notes. Get notes. Fire. Set fire button state. Yeah. It feels like we're so close yet so far away. Ableton API clip fire. This pack allows us to select which clip to fire. What is this? Oh, fire clip using this function. Fire is the name of the function. Okay. Oops. Fire, parameter, record length, optional, launch, quantization, optional. Fires the clip or triggers a stop button, if any. Starts recording if slot is empty and track is armed. So record length and launch quantization. Call fire. That's what I'm doing. I am calling fire. These have let me make sure this is, let's see. First clip slot get what are the gettable properties? Has clip. Oops. So that works. And first clip slot send command should be a function. So that's a promise. Let fire result. I'm going to have it plain. Just because maybe... That's probably really loud for the stream. All right. Not a big fan of those drums anyway. Send command fire. And then name and args. Keys and values. How about an empty object? Blast. Let's try create clip with a length of 10. Yeah, that didn't work either. Why can I not send those commands? I think I'm just gonna leave an issue and ask, but because I'm not getting anywhere, and I might as well go eat dinner. So, oh well.